I'm walking today going to the market because Friday here in Leeuwarden it's all market day. Then nagbaktas ko diri sa mga daghan kaayong mga boat. So it's so nice to walk. Ang partner to ra gibiyaan ko. Mag-observe ta kung unsa ilang market day. I will show you later. Okay guys. This is the way going to the market. Look at the building, is so nice, yeah. Nindot kaayo diri. Yeah. So nice. To walk. Ito ara akong partner gibiyaan ko. Kaya dili siya gusto nga ma-famous. So let's check. Now I'm almost in the city. Going to the market. Hello everybody. I'm here in the market. It's a market day in Leeuwarden. Look up. Them. People, how they are buying, you can compare. It's the mango. That's big mango. It's the pineapple. This is the people here. How they are making their shopping. Koriander. Ja.
Heb je genoeg?
Ja, het kan.
Je hebt nog €1 daar.
Ja, het kan. I will.
Als jij dat wil, dan...
Yeah, I will buy coriander because it's good for the intestine.
Daar. Je hebt €1, hoef niet zo lang te staan.
Hallo! Pak er in die uur, kom er maar bij. Lukt er in die uur, 10. De laatste uit is
The flowers here.
Ja hoor.
Oh. The honey. Yeah, just leave me because I'm going.
Hallo.
Hello, AP! Drop. Hello, my friend. Kumusta? Kumusta ka, Dong? Okay ka lang, Dong?
Chinese spreken.
Yeah. Mo ni gitawag og iskinita. Ngagi mi dir sa ngilit-ngilit oy.
Camera te weer gebruiken.
To you are talking. Skat ka. But look, I'm using this and this also.
Oh,
I bought.
Okay.
Just leave me.
oké.
Ice cream I love. Let's eat ice cream I love. Ice cream. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. What is that, my love?
Wat is wat?
Sige, sige. This is para...
Vogeltjes.
I'm here in the store. Look at that. So long. So long. Yeah. But that is the store.
Ja, die zoekt iets. Dan wens ik je nog een mooi.
Nog een keer.
Droge worst.
Droge worst. Wauw. Het is moeilijk, hè? I will slice, snijden. Oh. Wow. It's so hard, huh? Like a steen. Oh. Maar. When I slice it, I do like that because it's so gahi my love. So gahi. Waarom? And then I will slice the cheese. Yeah. Oh. Eric loves it. The cheese. The chismis, my love. In the Philippines, the chismis is the favorite one woman in the Philippines love cheese. Chismis. You know that? What is chismis? It's ready to serve. It's done. Yeah. It's yummy.
Ja.
Ik weet het niet.
Wat weet je niet?
Wat bedoeling?
Wat bedoel je?
Ik ben verdrietig.
Ik ook.
Waarom? Waarom verdrietig?
Omdat. Die